Let us show you how to change the battery of the Huawei P20 Lite. Find your spare parts and tools in the video description. First of all, switch off the phone. Here we go. With a hairdryer or heat gun, maximum 60 degrees Celsius, heat up the back cover so that the adhesive can be removed. Then, position the suction cup and use a flat tool to move along the edges of the phone. If necessary, you can also use a playing card. Beware of the fingerprint sensor's position. Do not reach too far into the phone. Now, disconnect the fingerprint sensor flex connection. Next, remove the 2 Phillips screws and the underlying cover. Then, loosen 2 flex connections. Now, remove a Phillips screw and another cover. Remove another flex connection. With a little patience, use the hairdryer to gently heat the battery. Now use a flat tool to remove the battery. If necessary, blow dry from time to time in order to facilitate the removal of the adhesive. Finally, remove the old adhesive residues and position a new adhesive tape. Now position the new battery. Connect all flex connections and screw the metal cover back in. Remove the old adhesive residues from the back cover. To reattach the back cover, use the appropriate adhesive foil or some liquid glue. When attaching the back cover, make sure the fingerprint sensor is connected. Thank you for your trust. It was fun repairing together. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel.